there seems to be a special control room that has now been set up according to Ministry of External Affairs. The MEA has now set up a control room. There are emergency helpline numbers as well that have been issued. We'll be putting out those numbers for our viewers as well. And this is amounting to the concern that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had this one-on-one conversation with multiple global heads of state from the Gulf nations in particular. He's been speaking to the UAE president. He's been speaking to the rulers also of Bahrain, of Jordan. And this is now coming at a time where there is a significant and seizable Indian nationals, Indian residents who live in the Gulf. That amounts to nearly 90 lakh, it is being said. And as far as the main aim of bringing back stranded passengers, we're looking at multiple airlines previously which had suspended their operations. They will be, according to the timeline and according to what the authorities say, they would be resuming their flights and they would be bringing back the stranded passengers. But this is the MEA control room. Advisories on part of multiple Indian embassies in the Gulf that has also now come across for the Indian nationals. But there seems to be a coordinated effort by the Ministry of External Affairs, helpline numbers that have now been issued for the Indian nationals. Thanking our guests there. Appreciate you joining us with your expert point of view on the broadcast here on Times Now. We're going to head into a very quick break.